Hello and welcome back to Forge Advisors, where your success is our mission. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the English language. We'll explore the essentials of English, from grammar and vocabulary to pronunciation and common phrases. This isn't just a class, it's a fast-paced, fun-filled language adventure. So whether you're just starting out or looking to brush up on your skills, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to enrich your English language skills. The foundation of any language is its grammar. Just as a building relies on its base, so too does communication rely on the structure of language. So let's dive into the basics of English grammar. First up, subject-verb agreement. It's a rule that ensures the subject and verb in a sentence match in number. For instance, she dances, not she dance. Next, we have the use of articles. These are the little words a, an, and the that precede nouns. A and an are used for general things, while the is used for specific ones. For example, I saw a cat, but the cat was black. Lastly, the basic sentence structure. English follows a subject-verb-object order, like in I, subject love, verb pizza, object. By understanding these fundamentals, you can start forming your own sentences, and with practice, it becomes second nature. With these grammar essentials, you can construct simple, clear sentences in English. A rich vocabulary enhances your ability to express yourself. It's the vibrant colors in your linguistic palette that help you paint vivid pictures with words. So let's talk about vocabulary. As a language learner, it's essential for you to know a set of common English words. Words like understand, create, experience, and challenge are not only frequently used, but also versatile, applicable in numerous contexts. But how do you expand your vocabulary beyond the basics? A dictionary or a language app can be your best friends here. They can introduce you to a new word each day, complete with meanings, synonyms, antonyms, and examples. And finally, don't forget to use these words in your daily conversations. Practice makes perfect after all. Remember, a word a day keeps the language barrier away. Pronunciation and familiar phrases are your gateway to fluent conversation. Correct pronunciation ensures you're understood and can be honed using language apps or online tutorials. For example, the sounds can be tricky, but with practice you'll master it. Now let's dive into some common English phrases. How's it going? Is a casual greeting, while I appreciate it is a polite way to express gratitude. With good pronunciation and a handful of common phrases, you are ready to start a basic conversation in English. English, like any language, takes time and practice to master. Remember, consistency is key. So keep practicing, use these tips, and embrace the journey. Language learning isn't a race, it's a voyage of discovery. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more insightful contents. Until next time, keep winning.